Care at Home Pro, the professional, intelligent home care solution. The control panel is the heart of the Care at Home system. It communicates with the sensor devices and collects information about the resident's activities and transmits the information to the service provider monitoring station. Choose a location for the control panel that is central to the premises and has convenient access for the resident, close to a power source, and check that there is a strong cellular signal in the location where you place the control panel. The control panel needs to be placed at least 2 meters from the peripheral devices. Let's begin by installing the control panel. Ensure that the power switch is off. Open the control panel back cover. Insert the SIM card with its contacts facing downward. Insert the backup battery over the battery pull strip. Connect the power cable to the control panel and secure the cable under the tab. Then plug the cable into a power source. Turn on the control panel. Check that the power LED lights green and then that the communications LED also lights green.